Rushin Peterson here, and really excited to be at the 37th South African National Blood Transfusion Congress 2025. And my talk today was really to focus on AI and how we can incorporate AI in our personal lives and also in our business environment. And the sessions are also practical. It's really practical, informative. So really making it, bringing value to attendees, making sure that when they attend the session and they leave, they have practical elements where they can actually implement AI tools in their personal lives. And so really exciting session. The audience was engaged. There was quite a few questions, and looking forward to see now how AI is going to continue to progress and develop in the future.